Yo, what's up? Ezra here from EzraSlayton.com. Today I've got 8 apps that are going to pay you just for going out and taking a nice brisk walk around your neighborhood or wherever it is that you like to frequent. So the first app we're going to talk about is Charity Miles. The Charity Miles app itself allows you to earn money for charities. So you're not going to earn cash in your pocket per se, but the money you do make you can donate to a charity. And that would be great because you'll be helping some folks out and you're just walking around anyway, so you might as well get a little bit extra money for that. Now, before we go any further, I would say if you could combine these apps together, you'll be able to pull off maybe a couple $100 a year, all right? So you're not gonna be getting rich with these apps. If you need something that's gonna pay you more money, if you need like a full-time income, then I suggest you click that link in the description of this video that is titled My #1 Make Money Online Method. That's gonna help you do that, okay? So back to Charity Miles. They're gonna track all of your steps using your phone's GPS. All the mileage that you accumulate will be collected through your phone's data. They've got the ability to do it both indoors and outdoors. Both workouts are possible. So you can get on a treadmill and you can make good use of your treadmill, right? If you've got one in your garage or whatever. So there's that. So you can go ahead and choose from over 24 charities that they have listed there. Pick one that works best for you, the one that resonates with you, and then donate all of your points and earnings towards that charity, okay? So that's the first one. Next one is achievement. And if you'd like to go in depth with these, I've got the blog post. I'll link that in the description of this video so you can go over there and check it out, okay? The achievement app you can earn by simply walking, swimming, biking, or doing any other exercise that is tracked by this app. You can earn anywhere from 0 to 80 points every day for exercise activities and 6 points per day for the food that you log into the app. For your sleeping, when you track that, your weigh-ins, your meditation, and a few other things. And simply by sharing it, you can you can earn points, okay? So these guys are gonna end up paying you $10 for every 10,000 points that you earn. And when you're ready to pull it out, you can donate to your points to a charity from their list, okay? So as a maximum, most people can only earn $30 per year using the achievement app, okay? Next one is a sweat coin. And a sweat coin is gonna give you cryptocurrencies rewards for going out on walks. The basic version of the app is free for you to use. However, there's a cap for your daily steps, and it will convert every 2,000 steps into their own currency, which are those sweat coins that we talked about, okay? This will not link to any fitness trackers, so you have to have the app open and you have to be outdoors because it's going to use a GPS to track your movements, okay? It utilizes your phone's built-in accelerometer, and it also employs an algorithm to ensure that you're not, trying to game the system or whatever, to make sure that you're walking instead of driving. So there is like a speed limit set. So if your phone is moving faster than a human's known to walk or briskly walk, then it's going to cut you off, all right? Notable rewards include a limited amount of gift cards. You can also have a chance to convert 20,000 sweat coins into $1,000 in PayPal cash, okay? So that's pretty nice, but it's going to take about 18 months to do that. Next one is Higgy, and Higgy itself is not an app, but rather they partner with several different devices in other apps, and it turns your fitness efforts into points that you can then exchange for rewards on their website, Higgy.com. All right, and this company, they bought the site, earned it, and that site basically was doing the same function. And essentially, what they're doing is just rebranding. And you can join for free. You can also link your apps to automatically update any points that you acquire or you have earned through their challenges, all right? So you're going to be earning points through these guys per mile, and then you can also earn points by using their health tracking stations, and you can find those stations at various supermarkets or pharmacies in the US. I'm not sure if they're international, I doubt it. So this might just be US. The points that you accumulate can then be converted into chances for prizes, and then you can also earn through the drawings. You get a ticket and you can put that into a drawing, and at the end of each challenge they'll draw it, and if you win you get the big bucks, right? Or you get the big prizes. So you can get more points if you recruit your friends in there. You guys can have a bit of friendly competition with each other. You know, I walked 10,000 steps today. How many did you walk? You know, if whoever walks less has to pay, or I don't know, you guys can work that out however you like. But there's some good in there, some bad with that app, and that's all detailed inside of the blog post, so you can go over there and read that. All right. Next one is My Map Fitness, and now if you're going to use My Map Walk, My Map Run, or any of those other related fitness apps, you're going to have the opportunity to join in challenges, and if you win those challenges, you can earn some really nice prizes. And even just taking part in the challenges will give you opportunity to earn prizes as well. Very nice. All right, this app will be able to connect with your Fitbit. So that's great. It's going to be using your phone sensors to track all your movements, and everything's going to be as accurate as that is. And additionally, you can set it to just track your individual workouts as opposed to tracking you all day long. All right, so if you're going to some weird places, you can cut it off so it doesn't follow you there, but Google's going to be following you. All right, next one is Carrot, and this one's for Canadians only, so we won't spend a lot of time here. The Carrot app is going to offer people a reward for their daily step goals, and you'll be able to track your steps using your phone. You don't need to have a Fitbit, but you can link your Fitbit tracker if that's what you want to do. All right, and they're going to determine your step goal by themselves. And the goal is going to, aim to improve your physical health. And then those points that you earn, you can redeem for several different programs. All right. Next, we got Better Points. This one's only available for UK and a few countries inside of the EU. I believe it's France, Italy, and Poland, as well as the UK. And this one, pays you for going out walking, and also will do things with your other physical activities. It'll pay you for your other physical activities. And when you join up, you'll be prompted to join into challenges. Once you complete those challenges, you'll get a ticket. You'll have a chance to get a ticket, and that can allow you to enter into a drawing for an even bigger prize. And the points are redeemable for gift cards, and they're only valid in each country specific to where you did your challenge. So if you are in France and you tracked everything in France, you'd only be able to get gift cards for yourself in France. All right, you can't go to the UK and buy stuff there. Okay. And the final thing we'll talk about is the Walgreens Balance Rewards. You can earn balance reward points that go towards redemption dollars at Walgreens, and all you have to do is just simply track your walking and other fitness activities. You can sign up at their website. I'll have a link to that in the blog post, of course. The app does connect to fitness trackers, including your phone's motion sensor, so you don't need to worry about that. There's a cap also of 1,000 points per month for fitness activities. Okay, and additionally, you can earn points simply by tracking your weight, your blood, your sleep, an oximeter reading, and other health-related things. Okay, inside the app, you can view your activity in steps per minute, and then on the website, you can see a nice graph of everything that's been going on with you inside of your account. All right. Merry Christmas, guys. If you are watching this on Christmas Day, if you're seeing this sometime in the future, that's great too. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. We talked about 8 apps that can pay you to walk. And again, if you want to make more money, because this isn't going to pay you very much, obviously these are just like little bits of money. Maybe you can earn an extra $100 a year. If you'd like to make $100 a day, then I invite you to click that first link in the description of this video. Additionally, you can learn about becoming an online entrepreneur by taking the 4% 30-day success challenge. I'm in that myself. I've got a lifetime membership there, and there's a link to that in the description as well. Okay, all those are going to be affiliate links, so Well, when you do purchase through my link, let me know and I'll hook you up with some pretty cool bonuses, alright? That's gonna do it for this one though. I'll see you guys in my future videos. Peace.